Enrique. Opo, si Enrique po ako wala si Andy.
Dahil ba sa issue kaya pinulungan mo si Andy?
It's a management decision po. I don't think I'm allowed to. I don't think I'm in a position to talk about it. Management decision.
For Enrique naman.
Pero sabihin ko lang po na very good replacement. Matawag mo po natin replacement ng replacement ng dalawang gawa. A very, very good replacement po talaga. I've worked with AJ, I've worked with Alfie. Hindi ina-undermine ko yung talent nila, pero very good replacements po kung replacement mo sa talent.
For Enrique naman, anong feeling na parang second choice kayo na replacement ng dalawa?
Okay lang po talaga. As in, basta nabigay naman po yung role. Siguro destiny nga. Ito naman din. Super thankful lang talaga. I mean, sa lahat ng trabaho na pupunta sa amin, we're just really thankful and wala, tuloy lang. So, we really don't feel bad. We're really thankful actually. So, ayun. So, sana after this, ayun, makita kami yung kaya ng isa. And ayun, sana maging okay na.